Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to get Bumble Premium from your mobile device. So first of all, to do that, download the Bumble app and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Bumble account and the screen looks like this. There is no premium option on this screen, so you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom left side of the screen. Now here you can see three premium options: Unlock Beeline, Spotlight and Boost. Choose the option that you want to buy from Bumble. Tap on the premium plan that you want. On this page you can see all the prices of the premium package. You can choose whatever you want to buy. After you choose the plan, you have to confirm the payment method, and after you pay. So this is all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.